First off, you need to log into your e-commerce admin panel. Just as a quick reminder, if you do not know how to do this, you need to go to www.yourdomainnamehere.whatever the extension is, so .co.uk.com, and then /admin. Now there are two steps when adding a product with these options. Step 1 is to create the option, and step 2 is to add it to a product. So from the dashboard, select Catalog, hover over the Catalog and select Options. From this page, to add a new option, we click Insert. Now, for the purposes of this demo, we will want to sell a computer to monitor, but there are different size monitors which are otherwise identical. So in order to give these different size options, this is what we do. So enter the name. So in this case, monitor size. Be sure to remember this name. You'll need it again later. And next up, select the type of form field it's going to be. So I'll just quickly run through these for you. So you have standard select box. You have the radio box, which is you select one or two options. You have the checkbox, which is a little tick box. You have the text, which is a standard input field, not unlike the one monitor size is currently in. You can have text area, which is like a big text field. You can have file, so someone can upload a file for you. You can have date, in order to set a date. You can have time, in order to set a time, or time and date to set both. Now, in this case, we want a select box. Now, you also want to select the sort order. If there are multiple options associated with a product, this is the order that the options will appear in. So in this case, we go 1, because we want it to be the number 1 option. Now for the fun part, this is where you set the values. So here we're going to go 17-inch, 18-inch, and 19-inch. Again, you can upload pictures if the pictures do vary slightly, or you can set the sort order as well if you wish to. Once you've done this, click Save. And you can see monitor size has been added to the options field. So now we have done this, we need to do the second part, which is to associate the option we just created with a product. So again, hover over the catalog item on the menu bar and select Products. Select the product you want to associate the option with. So in this case, we've got our Samsung Sync Master. I want to click over here on the Edit button. Here you want to click the Option tab. Now, in this little text area here, what you want to do is enter the name of the option you just created. So in this case, monitor size. The system will auto-guess what option it's going to be. So as you can see, it's chosen monitor size, so we click that. Right, and now we again add the options here. So we again go Add Option Value. We select 17-inch here, because that's one of the options. Quantity, that's the amount you've got in stock. You can subtract truck if you're using stock control. You've also got your price, your points, and your weight, which could be handy when calculating postage, because it may well vary for different size monitors. So we've got a 17 there, we add another option for our 18, and we add another option for our 19. We click Save, and those options will be automatically reflected in the product, and you'll now be able to select a different size monitor when you look at that item in the site.